Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the O2 nail printer. First, prepare your nails by cleaning them thoroughly and applying a base coat. Next, connect your O2 nail printer to a power source and link it to your smartphone or tablet. Make sure the ink cartridge is correctly installed and has enough ink for your chosen designs. Finally, open the O2 app to begin selecting your perfect nail art. Now, let's pick your design. The O2 app offers thousands of preloaded options, from intricate patterns to simple graphics. You can easily customize colors, adjust sizes, and reposition elements to perfectly fit your nail shape. Feeling creative? Upload your own photos or artwork for a truly unique look. Remember to apply a thin, even layer of the special print coat to each nail. This is crucial for the design to adhere properly. With your design chosen and print coat applied, it's time to print. Gently place your finger into the designated slot on the O2 printer, ensuring it's stable. On your device screen, confirm the design's alignment and make any final adjustments. Once ready, initiate the print. The printer will precisely apply your chosen design in approximately 35 seconds. After the process finishes, carefully remove your finger to reveal your new nail art. To ensure your beautiful new nail art lasts, immediately apply a high-quality top coat. This seals the design and provides a protective layer, helping it endure daily activities. For printer longevity, regularly clean the nozzle using the tools provided in your kit. Proper storage of the ink cartridge also prevents it from drying out. With these simple steps, you can enjoy your custom-printed nails for up to 20 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.